Today, we're diving into the latest leak around Huawei's upcoming Mate 70 and Mate 70 Pro, which seem to bring a refreshing yet familiar twist in design. If you're a Huawei fan or just love checking out what's next in flagship phones, stick around because this one is interesting. Alright, so let's get right to it. Recently, leaks have surfaced regarding the Huawei Mate 70 series, specifically around its back design. According to the tipster at Director Shiwen on Weibo, leaked images of the Mate 70 and Mate 70 Pro cases reveal that these upcoming models will closely resemble the Huawei Mate 50. For those of you who love that classic circular camera module design, this might be exciting news. In these leaked images, both the Mate 70 and Mate 70 Pro cases feature a similar circular camera module to the Mate 50, complete with 4 lens openings. Now, while the basic layout is consistent with previous designs, the arrangement of the lenses and flash is where things start to get interesting. First, let's look at the standard Mate 70 model. Based on the leaked case design, we can see small gaps between the lens openings, giving the camera module a balanced and organized appearance. Above the lenses, there's a slot which is likely for the LED flash, along with 2 additional small openings. One of these could be reserved for a laser focus system, which is expected to improve low-light photography, a welcome feature for mobile photographers. This particular camera layout has led many fans to draw parallels with the Mate 50's look. Some fans even suggested that while the Mate 60 paid tribute to the Mate 40, this new Mate 70 could be a nod to the Mate 50 series. Huawei seems to be adopting a style that respects its past while still adding new functionality. Now, moving on to the Mate 70 Pro model, the case shows a slightly different story. Here, we again see the familiar 4-lens layout, but with a wider spacing between each lens opening. The flash placement is also unique, positioned right between the 2 lenses at the bottom. This small difference in lens arrangement could hint at upgraded photography features on the Pro model, giving it a distinct edge over the standard version. The case for the Pro model also appears slightly larger than the standard one, which aligns with previous rumors suggesting that the Mate 70 series may come with different screen sizes. Huawei's approach here could be aimed at giving users more variety to suit individual preferences. As for the rest of the Mate 70 series, Huawei hasn't confirmed any official details yet, but the Mate lineup has always been known for pushing boundaries in both software and hardware. Given this tradition, we're expecting the Mate 70 series to come with high-end features in every category, from powerful processors to advanced software enhancements. The Mate 70 might not be drastically different in terms of design, but it's expected to offer significant improvements over previous generations. And then there's the much-rumored RS Ultimate design, a premium version that could bring even more stunning upgrades, particularly in display technology. Huawei's always done something extra with its RS variants, so this could be another exciting addition to the lineup. If are accurate, we're looking at a series that honors Huawei's design legacy while gearing up for the future. Let us know in the comments what you think. Are you excited to see the Mate 70 series? Do you think Huawei is doing enough to set it apart from the competition? As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.